you because I don't want to be bothered.
Facts. Yeah. Traveling for work always sounds good to people who ain't never traveled for work. Yeah. Then people travel for work and you like, what is this?
Then I got there late. It took me an hour just to get to the hotel. Mind you, the hotel I think was like 10 miles or something like that. It wasn't even that far from, the airport.
Mm-hmm.
But I wasn't trying to fall asleep in the car because I'm like, I'm not trying to get traffic or anything. But maybe I was almost fucking
Lay here, babe.
Oh, it has. Let me get this out.
Hey guys, drop your location when you get here. And if you're new to my page, go ahead and drop new in the comments. For those watching the replay later on, make sure you drop where you're from as well. And I'm having a free online training called How to Moisturize Dry Natural Hair. If you want the link to the waiting list, make sure you drop moisture in the chat as well. New York ain't for everybody.
I feel like there's a lot of spots right by the hotel.
Now, I will say, if you find like the authentic, one thing about New York is it's like they have a lot of authentic foods from different cultures. Yeah. If you can find those places, you'll be okay.
The pizza, I don't get the hype.
Maybe you went to the wrong spot.
I probably did, but now they have an Italian spot we went to. Mm-hmm. All it was missing was a little bit more seasoning. Other than that, like the seafood, that was good. Like they gave a nice sized portion, and it was a big old plate too. That was like one of the best spots we had. And we had a Japanese ramen spot. That was the best. That was good.
I'm not a big fan of ramen. I want to be, but I'm not. Like, every time the topic of ramen come up, I'll be like, yeah, I don't care about this. And anytime I go, I'm like, it's always mid to me, but maybe that's just me.
Yeah, it was good. Like, maybe it was like the traditional one where like, you walk in, you don't really talk to nobody, just press the buttons and somebody come open up a little curtain and give you the food. It was just like that. I'm like, okay, there we go, I like this. And we ate that like twice. Like that was good. Marie's out there almost 2 weeks.
Damn, he was out there for a while.
And then boom, they came back like right before the shutdown, like a day or two before the shutdown.
Yeah, he was out there for a little minute. Hi. When you guys get here, make sure you double tap the screen for me. If you are live, drop your location. If you're watching the replay, make sure you drop replay in the chat. And if you want a link to my free upcoming class, How to Moisturize Dry Natural Hair, comment moisture either on this video or on one of the videos on my page. One of the issues is I haven't figured out how to access my live chat on like YouTube, if that makes sense. Like, it's just, yeah, I don't even know how to make it make sense. It's something that I've actually complained to YouTube about, because I'm like, it's stupid not to be able to go back to my comments immediately. But I'm not going to get on that rant. I know it takes time to implement changes and all that stuff. But UK, Arizona in the house, what's up? So if you want the waiting list link, you can comment on one of the videos on my page. Just comment moisture, and I'll send you the link. So she's just getting her hair blow dried and trimmed today. To actually accept the products that I put in it. So if you guys are having issues with moisture, that's my first tip. If you're not clarifying your hair, then that's one of the reasons why it's not accepting moisture like it needs to. It's kind of like putting new makeup over old makeup, and you haven't gotten rid of the old makeup yet. It's the same thing. So when your next travel assignment?
I hope so, because the one boy I work with, he got Key West. And I'm so mad, because like, how you get that?
Girl, you having a blast doing this, huh?
Girl, I'm so mad. Like, got Key West. Then he gonna be working 8 a.m. to 5:30. So you don't even have to get up early for work. You can still go out and do stuff.
Yeah.
At a nice hotel.
How many days did y'all get off while you was out there? How many days off did y'all get?
Just two. I was so tired.
Well, I mean, that's not that bad. You're in another city. You get to go explore.
We got off so late. I think by the time we got back to the hotel, it was like, it wasn't late, but you know, like, it was 6:30, 7 o'clock, something like that.
I'm sorry, honey.
But I'm not a night person, especially if I'm out somewhere. I don't know when it's dark outside.
Yeah, I'm not a night person either, but I come alive when I'm out of town. When I'm out of town, I'm like, yeah, we doing this.
They had one man that was from out there. He went to go see his people. But like, he's kind of old, so he wasn't really like doing nothing like that. And plus, he probably seen it all. So he was from out there.
So this is a moisture shampoo. I'm putting it in her hair now to restore the moisture and balance her hair back out that I took out from clarifying it. Hint, hint. So we got 33 folks watching and 2 likes. If you guys want me to keep making content like this, make sure you double tap the screen. And at least give me the 30 likes if all of y'all double tap the screen. That'll get me to 30 likes. If you're new to my page, drop new in the chat and drop your location as well. And once you clarify your hair, once you start using clarifying shampoo on your hair, you'll feel a drastic difference in your hair. And you only really need to do it once a month. We do a lot to our hair, so it needs this. Now the conditioner is in. I'm just using water to spread it around. And because I use professional products, a little goes a long way. As y'all can see, I didn't have to search for my grandmother in that conditioner. And I just used some water to spread it out because it's that concentrated. So hint, hint, if you have to use the whole bottle of conditioner to get your hair how you want it to feel, you're probably using the wrong product. Let me know if y'all have any questions in the chat. And if you would like the link to my upcoming free class on the waiting list, how to moisturize dry natural hair, drop keyword moisture, or comment on one of my other videos with the keyword moisture, and I'll send you the direct link. And I'm just making sure that I get the middle, because oftentimes the middle of the head is the most neglected. Not intentionally, but it's just because y'all can't see that though. Drop some fire emojis in the chat if y'all are enjoying this video and would like me to make more content like this. And FYI, guys, conditioners do have a stopping point. So if it says let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, it literally means let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Letting it sit longer than that is not gonna do anything. After that, you're just wasting time. All right. Sit up. And I know everybody's always asking about the texture of the hair of my clients. There's one of them. No, I love some smell good products. I didn't really realize how anal I was about smells. I'm serious, until I got behind this chair and I'm like, wow, everything gotta smell good. You know, I can't, my mind can't take like bad smelling stuff. It just can't.
I'm so used to it. No, by now at work, Lord. Ooh. I used to keep my mask on, but they were running out because of the budget. They were cutting the budget, girl.
What, at work?
This girl, it's getting skimpy around there. I had to wait weeks for small gloves.
Wow. And so I'm just detangling her first. She's about to go under the dryer before I blow dry her. This allows her hair to actually absorb more product versus it just being burned off from the blow dryer. Because most of our hair struggles with moisture retention, you want to keep as much product as humanly possible in the hair, which is why I set them under the dryer, so that it can absorb more of the product, and when I do blow dry it, the blow dryer just burns off any excess. Double tap the screen if that was a helpful tip. I know y'all be against hooded dryers, but believe me, hooded dryers still have their place. And so she's going under the dryer just like this, guys.